What is going on, guys? Long time no see. I know it's been a long time since I posted a long form video because I usually post shorts, but in this video right here I had something that I really want to share with you guys because it's so interesting. Now, you know, based off the thumbnail, is that it is about blueberries. So you know the general sense of when you are growing blueberries, you do need to grow multiple varieties so that way they can cross-pollinate with each other, and that will help improve the yield of your fruits as well as, you know, the flavor, the abundance of it. That way you can harvest so much more. But something I didn't expect is that when you are growing two different varieties, that you could somehow create a new variety. Now, I don't know if this variety already exists, but it's the first time seeing it, but I gotta share this with you guys. So what I have in front of me is three different types of blueberries. So one over here is the regular Tiflu blueberries. This one right here is the pink lemonade. I already harvested a lot of the fruits, but you can see right here it's this tiny little pink ones. And then right over here is a Titan blueberry variety. So Titan blueberries are generally much larger than the others, as you can tell by the size of these blueberries right here. These are much smaller. Now, something that you're interesting that you're going to notice is that you see there are pink ones over here as well. So there's a black one and a pink one. Over here, there are black ones, but then there are also pink ones. So something I can honestly say that I never expected to happen would be the Titan blueberries and the pink lemonades. So I do know that they would pollinate each other, but I didn't think that it would actually create like a new type of blueberries. So I feel like now with these giant pink ones right here, let me see if I can get you a closer look right here. So right there, now that they're much larger and they're also pink, it's like a crossbreed of a pink lemonade Titan blueberry variety. So it's very interesting because like I tried some of the blueberries already and it does have the size of a Titan blueberry, but the flavor of a pink lemonade. Now let me show you, because like when you eat a regular blueberry, for example, let me take this one right here. So you notice right here, this one is much larger, right? Let me grab a smaller one right over here real quick. There you go. So you see the size difference, for example. So this is the regular blueberry and this is a Titan blueberry right here. So already you can see that it's much larger. And now we have a, let me see here, a pink lemonade right here that is also much larger than normal. So it's the size of the Titan blueberries, but bigger than the regular blueberries. So now I have a whole bunch of different varieties. Let me zoom down here real quick. So you can see right here, we have a Titan blueberry. This is a Titan pink lemonade blueberry. We have a regular pink lemonade and a regular blueberry right here. There we go. So I want you to see the difference on the inside. So let's go ahead and bite the Titan blueberries in half real quick. That's really sweet. And that's the inside right there. And for the pink lemonade, very sour, but the flavor of the blueberries is the most important thing. So it's like crossbreeding with each other. You have a large pink lemonade blueberry. It's sweet with a hint of sour. Now, when you eat the regular blueberries by itself, just a small one, it's sweet too, but there's no sourness at all. And for the pink lemonade, pure sourness, but it's absolutely delicious. And it's crazy that you can have like these different type of varieties of blueberries. This one right here too as well. Let me clean up real quick. But just look at the size of these things. They are absolutely massive. So if you are growing blueberries, I highly recommend you grow multiple different types. So just to see what kind of blueberries you can grow. So in my case, for example, I now have large pink lemonade blueberries, which is absolutely fun. And I didn't know that it can actually happen. So if you learned something from this video on how you can cross-pollinate your own blueberries, you know, give it a like, you know, it greatly helps me out. Comment below on if you actually grew any other different type of blueberries as well. And as always, happy gardening, guys.